Samsung is set to make waves in the mid-range smartphone market with the upcoming Galaxy A36 and Galaxy A56. These new devices promise to offer a sleek design, impressive performance, and advanced features, all while maintaining an affordable price tag. With a significant upgrade in charging technology, these models are bound to capture the attention of users worldwide. One of the standout features of the Galaxy A36 and A56 is their 45-watt fast charging capability. Both devices will support charging at 10 volts and 4.5 amperes, drastically reducing the time users spend waiting for their phones to charge. This feature is a game changer, allowing users to enjoy their devices more and spend less time tethered to an outlet. The 45-watt charging technology, which has previously been limited to certain markets, is now available globally, bringing fast charging to a wider audience. Design-wise, the Galaxy A36 and A56 share many similarities, both devices featuring a large Super AMOLED display that offers vibrant colors and deep blacks. The key island design on the right side of both phones adds a unique touch, while the vertically aligned triple-camera setup on the rear provides a modern and sleek look. The Galaxy A36 does have slightly thicker bezels compared to the A56, but both devices maintain a premium feel in hand, making them visually appealing and comfortable to hold. Both phones will run on the latest Android 15 operating system, paired with Samsung's One User Interface 7. This combination ensures a smooth and user-friendly experience. Samsung is also known for providing long-term software support, and these models will receive up to 6 major Android updates, keeping them current with the latest features and security improvements for years to come. In terms of performance, the Galaxy A36 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 processor, paired with a minimum of 6 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of internal storage. This configuration offers smooth performance for everyday tasks, including social media browsing, video streaming, and light gaming. The Galaxy A56 steps up the performance with a more powerful Exynos 1580 processor, which offers enhanced processing power and better graphics performance. Both processors feature octa-core central processing units with 4 high-performance cores for demanding applications and games. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the camera setup on both devices. Each phone features a 50-megapixel primary rear camera, allowing users to capture detailed and vibrant photos in a variety of conditions. The 12-megapixel front-facing camera ensures clear, sharp selfies and well-lit video calls. Whether you're snapping pictures of your latest adventures or connecting with friends and family via video chat, the Galaxy A36 and A56 are equipped to deliver high-quality results. Both phones also support a range of connectivity features. The Galaxy A36 and A56 are 5G compatible, providing fast data speeds for streaming, gaming, and browsing. They also include global navigation satellite system support for precise location tracking, Bluetooth 5.3 or 5.4 for seamless connections to wireless accessories, near-field communication for contactless payments, and a USB Type-C port for charging and data transfer. With stereo speakers, these phones deliver impressive audio quality, making them ideal for media consumption. Additionally, the devices come with an IP67 rating, meaning they are resistant to both dust and water, adding to their durability. A large 5,000 mAh battery powers both the Galaxy A36 and A56, ensuring that users can enjoy all-day usage without worrying about running out of charge. The combination of a long-lasting battery and 45-watt fast charging means users can quickly top up their devices when needed without sacrificing their valuable time. The Galaxy A36 and A56 are strong contenders in a mid-range smartphone market. With their powerful processors, stunning displays, advanced camera systems, and fast charging capabilities, these devices offer a well-rounded package for users who want premium features without the high price tag. Samsung continues to push the boundaries of innovation, making these phones an attractive option for tech enthusiasts and casual users alike. If you're looking for a smartphone that combines performance, design, and value, the Galaxy A36 and A56 should be on your radar. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more updates, and we'll catch you in the next video. The wait is almost over, and Samsung is ready to unveil its next big leap in smartphone technology. The upcoming Galaxy Unpacked event promises to introduce a brand new lineup of Galaxy smartphones that are set to redefine what we expect from our mobile devices. Among the exciting releases, we can expect the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, Galaxy S25 Ultra, and possibly the Galaxy S25 Slim, each designed to elevate your mobile experience to new heights. Leaks and rumors have already started circulating, teasing us with glimpses of these upcoming devices' sleek designs and cutting-edge features. From enhanced displays to powerful processors, these phones are shaping up to be some of the most impressive devices Samsung has ever produced. But what's particularly exciting is the potential for significant improvements in the realm of smartphone photography and videography, especially with the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Word from a reliable source suggests that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will offer game-changing video quality, particularly in low light conditions. It's expected to raise the bar for mobile video recording, allowing users to capture clearer, sharper, and more vibrant footage even in challenging lighting environments. This could mean the end of blurry or grainy videos when filming indoors or at night, making the Galaxy S25 Ultra a potential favorite for content creators and videographers. The secret behind this upgrade lies in the smartphone's processing power. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature the next-generation Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, a significant improvement over the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip seen in the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This enhanced processor is expected to handle demanding tasks like low-light video recording with ease, making it a standout feature in this year's flagship model. It's clear that Samsung has designed this device to push the boundaries of what's possible in mobile technology, especially for those who love capturing high-quality videos on the go. But here's the catch. This exceptional video quality may only be available on the Galaxy S25 Ultra, while other models in the Galaxy S25 series like the Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Plus are also expected to come with impressive specs and features. They may not offer the same level of video performance as the Ultra. This could be due to differences in processors or other hardware, positioning the Ultra as the premium choice for users who want the absolute best in smartphone videography. While Samsung has yet to confirm all the details, it's clear that the Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be a revolutionary device, particularly for those who prioritize video recording. The excitement is already building, and many tech enthusiasts are eagerly awaiting the official announcement to learn more about how these advancements will affect their daily smartphone experience. Alongside these hardware innovations, the software enhancements are also worth noting. Samsung is expected to debut the latest version of its One User Interface UI system, with One UI 7 Beta 3 already giving us a sneak peek into the new features. This update promises to improve the overall user experience with smoother navigation and more intuitive controls, complementing the hardware improvements to deliver a seamless and enjoyable smartphone experience. As the event draws nearer, Samsung has already opened pre-reservations for the Galaxy S25 series, giving fans a chance to secure their devices early. If you're planning on upgrading, this could be the perfect opportunity to lock in your place and potentially enjoy exclusive benefits like early access, special offers, or unique perks designed to make the wait even more rewarding. With so much to look forward to, it's an exciting time for Samsung fans and tech enthusiasts alike. The Galaxy S25 series promises to deliver innovations that will not only enhance the performance of your smartphone, but also offer new possibilities for how we interact with our devices. Whether you're a content creator, a tech lover, or simply someone looking for a phone that can do it all, the Galaxy S25 Ultra may just be the phone to watch. If you're as excited as we are about these upcoming advancements, make sure to stay tuned for more updates. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found the information helpful, and subscribe to our channel for all the latest news on the Galaxy S25 series and other tech innovations. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. We'll continue bringing you the most exciting developments in technology, so make sure to stay connected. Until next time, keep exploring the world of tech.